Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to introduce the 3D modeling's basic, the vertex, edge and face in Blender 3.6 3D modeling software. So start from now, I'm going to show you all and explain all of the concepts. This is the Blender 3.6, and first what I'm going to do is just press A to select everything and press delete to delete everything. Now, as demo, I'm going to just add a mesh, add a cube. Then this is the cube. You can see if this is the first day you are using the Blender. Now, this is under the layout. So the layout, here you can choose the modes. If you change it to edit modes, now you can see these are the vertex, the vertices that exist inside the cube. And because of here, the select mode is to select the vertex. If you click this, then you can select the edge. This is the edge select. If you click this here, then you can select the face. It depends on your purposes. Sometimes you may just want to select a vertex. So for example, now I select a vertex, and maybe you want to move it, then you can move to change the shape. Alright, but sometimes you may want to move or just rotate any of the the edges, so you have to click and choose the edge select. Then you can select any edge. Now let's say if I want to move this edge, it is really simple. You can just move it. If I want to rotate it, then I can rotate this edge as well. Then you can change the shape of the 3D model. Alright, it is pretty cool, pretty awesome to make all of this. Alright, what about the face? Sometimes you may just want to select one of the face. You can rotate the face, or you can move the face to make it a 3D models. You can change it to any of the shape. Now you can see these two, actually the surfaces already have some deformations. So at this moment, I may just click here to select this vertex, and I hold the shift to select another vertex. Then I right click, new edge faces from vertices. Then now it formed another edge. And then same as here, these two, I want to connect it. And for this surface, here it is the same as well. Now, so this is the way, and then now you can see this is another surfaces. It already become. Alright, now you have all of these faces. Alright, this is the basic concept of the edge, vertex, and also the faces. Let's say if I back to the object modes, I delete this. Then if I add another shape, for example, the UV sphere, then go to the edit modes, you can see for the UV sphere, there are so many faces. And if you want to select the edge, you can select it. Sometimes you want to select the face, and then you can press E to extrude it out. Right, it is just pretty easy. This is extrusion. What about if you extrude the edge? If you click this, then select any of the edge, you can press E to extrude it out as well. Press E to extrude. Now you can extrude the edge. This is another edge. You can press E to extrude it out. Alright. What about if you want to extrude the vertex? Yes, it is okay. For example, now I choose one of the vertex here, and then I press E to extrude it out. Here I press E to extrude. Then now these two vertex already extrude. I'm going to connect these two. I hold the shift, select another one. I right click, new edge and face from vertices. Next, maybe I want to fill in here. So I may select all of the edge 1, I hold the shift to select another tree. Then I right click to form new faces from edges. Now you can see it already immediately to become a face. Then I select the face. I can have further extrusion. It is really easy to do all of this. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials and sharings on the 3D modeling basics, the vertex, the edge and face, and how to extrude it out, how to move it, like rotate it. This is a very fundamental knowledge and skills. If this is your first day to get into the 3D modeling by using the Blender, this should be your first tutorial to get to know what is 3D model and what are the vertex, edge and face. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharing, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing. See you.